Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about how you can test your integration with Symbl to make sure that it is working end to end. On our API docs, we have a section on testing that you can follow. Now, if you've gotten to this point, that means you've either integrated Symbl in one of two ways. If you've dialed in with a phone number, you can speak the following lines into the phone and end the call. You should receive an email with the conversation summary that looks something like this. Here we could see that we have the transcript and we have action items that were detected. And if you're able to receive this email and view something that looks like this, that means that you've successfully integrated Symbl into your voice call. And if you're dialed into a meeting platform and you want to make sure that Symbl is working as it should, we have added some sample meetings that you can run with your speakers on so that Symbl can stream the audio and generate an output. So you can see these two meetings
I
that
would
we have on YouTube, Scrum meeting and progress meeting. And just like before, once you end the meeting, you'll receive an email with a summary that looks something like this, where you have topics, transcript, and any of the action items and insights that were generated. Thank you.